let me show you one of my most viral bun styles that's gotten over 1 million views on TikTok and Instagram. And the best part is it's really, really easy. This is probably one of the easier buns that you can do in your hair. I don't know if you would call it a messy bun. I mean, it is a look kind of, but not like what most people think of when they think of a messy bun, but it is a really pretty bun and it is a really easy bun.
We're going to start by gathering all of the hair into a ponytail. Make sure that ponytail is wherever you want the bun to sit. So if you want the bun to sit high, put the ponytail high, low, put the ponytail low, etc. I like mine to be right in the center of the back of my head for this one, but it is your preference. So once your ponytail's done, slide the hair tie down a little bit and you're going to create a space that you're going to flip through. Now the key to not getting stuck is making sure there's no hair crisscrossing before you flip it up. Then you're going to flip it up and you're not going to pull it all the way through. You're just going to pull it halfway through and then fluff and pull. Now, if your hair is longer, you'll be left with a bit of a tail. Sometimes I have more of a tail. I just cut my ends, so I don't have much of a tail right now. When I have a tail, I will usually either stuff it up into the inside or flip it and put it back into the hair tie, creating a second little bun, but that's either way is fine.
There we go, all finished. It is that easy, and it is definitely one of the more simple buns to master that I teach. And today I don't have any volumizing or texturizing products in my hair. If you do add some dry shampoo or some dry texture powder, you will be able to get a lot more oomph and volume out of the bun part if you don't naturally have a lot of hair. If you have thicker hair, then you're gonna have a lot of hair to work with and you probably don't need those products. But if your hair's fine or flat like mine, adding some of those products will help you get even more oomph to that little bun bit. I hope that helps. I hope that gives you another bun that you can try and maybe one that you can be successful at if you have struggled with some of the others. Let me know in the comments how this one worked out for you and what you think of it compared to some of my more traditional messy buns. If you are new here, please subscribe because I would love to have you as part of my DIY hair school family, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss any of my videos because I post so much content every single week. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. Bye.